Hey everybody, it's Tanya Davenport with Cobalt Banker High Country in the beautiful Aska Adventure area. I am at 92 Whitetail Ridge. Come on in. All right, so here we are in this very spacious 3-bedroom, 3-bath, open floor plan. There's a huge dining area with fireplace on both sides, big living area, bathroom, bedroom, and this great outdoor space. There's not been as many trees removed as can be, and there is a great mountain view. When the people purchased it, it had a really good view. They have had it on the rental program, and families have just gotten so busy they just don't have time to come up, so they're wanting to share this on the MLS. All right, so there's a door that comes off of the dining room. Good space out here. It comes completely furnished, has an outdoor fireplace. It has the fireplace on the living room and the dining room area. Look at that big TV. Very good space for families, as you can see. I'll come back through here. Blinds are down. I'm doing a quick video just for agents and any prospective buyers that are interested. I've not turned on all the lights. Just want to kind of give you an idea of this home. Tile floor, nice hardwood floors. It has been pet friendly. Tile shower tub. Very spacious bedroom. It actually goes off right to the fireplace. Anybody could use this as a full-time home. The people that had owned it prior to my clients, they actually did live here full-time. Wait, it was their second home. Yes, that's what it was. It was a second home to them. All right, so there's a basement right here, but we'll go upstairs. It's got a cute little area up here for an additional bedroom. It is an additional bedroom. Nice stairs. Got that live oak edge. So the reason that's really neat is it is a master. It's a true master. You can see high ceilings. There's lights hanging there. So pretty at night. But you can use this space to be very private, or you can have it to where you can wake up and enjoy the view. Golly, I got to clean the screen on my phone. And like I had mentioned, I have not turned on the lights. So this is a king-size bed up here as well. Good size. Got a closet. And here is the standing shower. 4 foot. Pedestal. Tile floor. Rock all the way up. All right, we're going to go downstairs. So there's carpet on the floor. Overhead stairs. All right, I'm sorry I had a phone call. I need to turn on some lights. All right, I guess I don't have the knack to turn on the lights. I have I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So anyway, but here's a great space. Those are queen-size beds on bottom, single on top, and that closet over there is fairly big. So this space right here would be a great space to remove them and had a game area if you'd like it, or keep it the way it is. It has been a good rental, consistent too. There's the utility closet, and then it keeps running out through there. That is a good size closet. keep all your seasonal stuff. Here is your bathroom. It is a tub, drop, shower. This is a queen size bed, but you definitely have room for a king in here. Goes off to the porch. All right, so I went ahead